Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christian, and today we are going to look at what artificial intelligence is AI. We've been hearing AI here and there. AI has done this, AI is doing that, but most of us actually don't know what exactly AI is. So today, what we are going to discuss is AI. We are going to break AI down for everyone to understand, and we also look at some real examples of AI. So without wasting much time, when we say AI is a branch of technology that allows systems and softwares to perform tasks that normally requires human intelligence. So AI is not a human brain, or AI is not a particular person sitting behind all those marvelous work happening. AI itself is a branch of technology as a whole that allows systems and softwares to perform tasks that normally requires human intelligence. And most of the times, when we hear AI, the only thing we think about is ChatGPT. The only thing we think about is Meta. The only thing we think about is Grok. But AI go beyond ChatGPT, Meta, and Grok. AI existed long ago, very, very long ago, but it just now we started to see how efficient AI is and we started using it. Before we move into the examples of I will want you to know that, as I said earlier, AI is a system designed to imitate some human behaviors. So what are these human behaviors AI is designed to imitate? So we have recognizing pattern, learning from data, understanding information. So these are some of the behaviors. These are not all, some of them that AI has been designed to imitate. Now, when we talk of examples of AI, all we think is ChatGPT. When we hear AI, all we think is Meta. All we think is Grok. But AI go beyond these tools. And according to research, AI existed long ago, but we didn't see the efficiency of AI. We didn't see the power of AI, so we were not using it. One clear example that will make you to know AI existed long ago. Let me use keyboard suggestions for example. You see every time when you take your phone, you type hi. The next thing you type is good morning. The next time you take your phone, you type hi. The next thing you type is good morning. Now, the next day, when you take your phone, immediately you type hi, the keyboard will suggest good morning. It's not that it knows you have to type good morning. No, it has read you from the pattern you were following. Every time you type hi, good morning, you get to know that whenever you type hi, you are most likely to type good morning next. So it predicts the likely answer. So AI existed long ago. Another example of AI is, let's take Facebook or TikTok for instance. Whenever you go to TikTok, your FYP, that is for your page, there are some kind of videos you see there. But if you take another person's phone and go to his TikTok, you don't see those videos. Let's say someone, if you take his phone and go to his FYP, the kind of videos you see, most of them are about football. Most of his videos are comedies. It is because whenever he goes there, he engage with those contents. So now, anytime you go there to watch content or to entertain yourself, all the videos you'll be watching, it will be suggested based on your past engagement, what you have been engaging in. All these are examples of AI. So AI go beyond ChatGPT, Meta, and Grok. Now, we've gotten to know some of the real examples of AI. What we are going to know next is that whenever we are communicating with AI, we have to know that AI is not always correct. So now that you've gotten to know some of the examples of AI, we will look at uh, some important things you need to know when working with AI. AI has come to stay and it will be good if we adapt it early. But before we adapt a particular tool or before we accept to use a particular tool, we have to know some of the features or some of the do's and don'ts in the tools, what it can do and what it cannot do. There are certain things AI can do and there are certain things AI cannot do. And what you should know is that AI predicts. So it is not going to be always correct. AI sometimes makes mistakes. So anytime you give any information to AI and it gives you the results, always make sure you go through the results to see if it suits what you are looking for. You can now then take it as your final results. Now, according to research, these AI tools that are doing marvelous works, ChatGPT, Meta, Grok, Gemini, Ready, Lovable, you can mention them. They are all a particular category of AI. Based on my research, we have two main type of AI, which is the weak AI and the strong AI. And as we speak now, the kind of AI tools we are using is what we call the weak AI. Now, let's look at some of the characteristics of basic AI tools. Basic AI tools, they are task specific. As I indicated, they are specialized in a specific task. They operate through patterns. They are not emotional. They are not conscious. They can't think like human. So that is what makes them basic. Or in other words, narrow AI. But when we take the broad AI or the advanced AI, which does not exist for now, they are AIs that are not specialized for a specific task. They can do everything. And that kind of AI is yet to come. We don't know as when it will be out. But as we speak now, the kind of AI tools we are using is the basic AI tools. Now, we know that the AI tools we are using, they are basic. We know that some of them are advanced AI tools, but they don't yet exist. Let's see. Most mistakes people do when it comes to AI is that they are thinking AI is robots. They are thinking AI is conscious. They are thinking AI is emotional. AI is neither a robot nor a human. AI is not conscious and AI isn't emotional. Most of the times, some of the results AI gives you, AI itself doesn't understand. I mentioned earlier, AI predicts. So most of the results it gives you, it don't understand. AI don't know whether the result it has given you is helpful or is harmful. AI, in as much as intelligence AI is, AI still need human to throw it. If you look at most of the AI tools, after it has finished giving you the results, it likes you to give them a feedback, whether you give them a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Based on that feedback, they'll use to train the AI, whether the feedback was good, whether it was bad. So they use that one to train the AI. So from today, you have to know that AI is not always correct. And AI is beyond ChatGPT, Meta. AI is a branch of technology itself, which has come to stay and we have to adapt it. Now, how do we adapt AI? You don't need to be perfect to use AI. You just have to start using it, and in the way or along the way, you become perfect with AI tools. So most of the AI tools are beginner friendly, which you can start to learn how to use them on your own. So today, what we are sending home or what we are learning today is that AI is a branch of technology that allows systems and softwares to perform tasks that normally requires human intelligence. And one thing you should know is that most people think AI has come to make people jobless. Others are saying AI has come to take our job. No, AI was not created or was not brought to take anyone's job. AI was designed to come and help boost productivity, to come and help save time, to come and help us to save money. AI will not take your job, but someone using AI will take your job. So if you don't want anyone to take your job, you have to sit down and learn to adapt AI. And if you're looking for a place to learn AI, this is a right place for you. If today is the first time coming across my video, like, share to your friends so that they don't miss this important information. Follow the page to get more updates on AI. This page is dedicated to teach more about AI, review most things you have to know about AI.